Hi, I'm Leif Wickland. I'm a principal engineer at the Rubicon Project. So I think the two most interesting engineering issues we run into at work are performance issues, because we deal with large data that we need to process quickly. And so if we allow a PhD to walk in and write some Python, it's going to be orders of magnitude too slow. So the tools that we have at our disposal with Scala help us out quite a bit in doing better than that. And the other is in simply reaching disambiguation quickly. So I've been working with data scientists. They come up with models. We need other people to be able to understand those models and quickly convert them into code that works. And so that engineering issue there is more of like a process issue of ensuring that the humans can communicate with each other clearly. So an obvious place where scale hurts us is we need to do some sort of ad hoc analysis, and we know that there's data that's busted somewhere in our big data lake. You know, we were seeing a production problem. We don't know exactly why. We know that the log somewhere will have it. If we just drop onto a box and start grepping, that's going to take a long time. If we just start SSHing to boxes, that's going to take too long. So having a system that can distributedly search for us is a whole lot more helpful. And that's a place that having like Spark Shell pointed at our big pile of logs has been really useful for us. So the industry that I work in, ad tech, is going through sort of its typical change every few years, and our current issue is that the volume of data that we're seeing keeps doubling every few months, which means that we're having to find ways to reduce the cost of processing data just to stay competitive and not lose our margins. So being able to process data efficiently at ginormous scales faster every few months is a big deal for us and crucial to keeping the business alive. I think I benefit tremendously from functional programming because it allows us, especially in its well-typed variants, to introduce a degree of rigor that gives me a greater degree of confidence when I drop in to look at a pull request somebody's written, that it's correct. And when I start writing code against what somebody else has done, I feel confident that I can compose off of that work in a way that will work without incredible amounts of testing to be confident. And I don't have to worry so much that I'm going to get paged in the morning because something was wrong. I have been exceptionally impressed by how talks are answering problems that I've had in the last 2 weeks that I didn't even know that there were solutions for that I'm finding. So the Vegas library that gives me plotting akin to Python's MATLib is really helpful and exactly what I needed. The ML library that we talked about earlier today is really similar to something I need. So I need to go back and look at those.